Stop playing games if you want to manifest your dream relationship. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing why playing games actually blocks you from manifesting your dream relationship and what you want to do instead to guarantee that you effortlessly call in your dream partner. So let's get started. Stop playing games if you want to manifest your dream relationship. Now, playing games is something that is huge in the dating scene. When it comes to calling in your dream partner, a lot of people believe, due to societal conditioning, that they need to be anything but themselves. That if they want to be liked by somebody, approved by somebody, validated by somebody, and loved by somebody, that they need to act a certain way, speak a certain way, and behave a certain way. And therefore, there is this underlying tone that says, in order to be loved, you must behave differently from who you really are. Now, in a nutshell, when you are playing games, you are not being your authentic self. And when you are not being your authentic self, the signal that you're sending to the universe is, I am not good enough the way that I am. Therefore, this repels you from manifesting your dream partner. It repels your ideal partner away from you because you have a vibrational signal that says, I am not good enough the way that I am. I need to change myself. I need to be something different in order to be liked by you. Playing games means you pull back when they push forward, or when you push forward, they pull back. Now, how do you know if you're playing games when it comes to manifesting your dream relationship? Ask yourself this simple question. Am I analyzing my dating life? Am I analyzing the people that I meet? Am I changing my behavior in order to be liked by this person? So examples of how this could express itself is, let's say that it takes somebody you're getting to know 2 days to text you. And so you begin to analyze this. You begin to say, well, you know what? It took them 2 days to text me, so I'm going to wait for 2 days before I text them back. Or they send you a message and you begin to analyze it with your friends. You're like, what did it mean by this? What did he mean by this sentence? Or you're somebody who begins to think that you need to play hard to get in order to be respected or liked by somebody. This all falls in the category of playing games. Every time you are second guessing yourself, you are analyzing the situation or that person, you are in the energy of playing a game. And on a deeper level, when you are playing game, unconsciously you're in the energy of manipulation. Every time you stop showing up as your authentic self and you stop sharing what is true to you in your heart, every time you try to contour or change your behavior, what you say or do in order to be liked by somebody, you are unconsciously in the energy of manipulation. Because what you're saying is, I'm not good enough to be liked by you. I need to change myself in order to be liked by you. So again, this is a massive problem when it comes to manifesting your dream relationship. Playing games prevents you from calling in your dream partner. Now let's move on to, why do people play games? The only reason why anybody starts to play games is because they feel insecure. Deep down, there is this core vibration that says, I'm not good enough the way I am. So this means that ultimately you are somebody that feels insecure about who you are and what you represent. You believe that you need to do something different, that you need to show up differently in the world in order to be liked by somebody. So this comes down to insecurity. Now, conversely, aligned people who are connected to their higher selves, who allow themselves to be present and in their heart in the moment. Aligned people never play games. Aligned people show up fully as themselves. They speak their truth. They share what's in their heart. They're never second guessing themselves. They're going with the flow. They are in the moment. They are following the synchronicity that is being revealed to them. So aligned people will never play games. If you are somebody right now who has entangled yourself with the energy of playing games, with the energy of manipulation, there are a myriad of ways that this could be expressing itself in your reality right now. Perhaps you call in players. Perhaps you are calling in people who are dishonest. Perhaps you call in people who you don't connect with. This is what will manifest into your reality if you believe that you need to play a game, meaning you need to be somebody different than your true self in order to be loved. You will manifest scenarios to demonstrate to you that you don't feel good enough about yourself. So the key is to break yourself free from the energy of manipulation, to break yourself free from that energy of playing games. Completely disengage and disentangle yourself from that energy of playing games. Now you might be wondering, okay, Priya, well, how do I do this? Well, it begins first with you taking full responsibility for what you are doing and how you are playing a role by entangling yourself in the energy of playing games. Every time you're analyzing, every time you're thinking, well, I'm going to take 4 days before I reply to a text, or I'm only going to sleep with him after 3 months. There are all these rules that are going on in your head. When you are somebody right now who is in that energy, you want to be honest with yourself. Okay, am I somebody right now who's playing games, who's analyzing, I'm not being myself? Radical self-acceptance of where you are without judgment is the first step to changing your energy. So just own where you are, be raw with yourself, be real with yourself. And again, remember, this is not about judging yourself. This is about empowering yourself and beginning to be conscious of what is really going on here energetically. From there, it's really about making a decision. It's about turning inwards to where your true power lies. It's about empowering yourself from within. It's about making a decision that says, I am no longer going to play games. Instead, I'm going to focus on being true to myself. I'm going to honor my highest excitement. I'm going to honor my joy. I'm going to honor my truth. And then give yourself permission to show up this way in the world. When you begin to embody your authentic self, when you begin to show up fully as the real you, the energetic signal that you're broadcasting to the universe is, I am good enough the way that I am. Now your dream partner can find you. And this is how you will effortlessly manifest your dream relationship into your reality. Conversely, when you're not being true to yourself, when instead you're focused on being something different than who you really are, you will zig and zag with your dream partner. You become invisible to your dream partner. Your dream partner cannot find you because your vibration says otherwise. Your vibration is one that says, I'm not good enough the way that I am. And on a deeper level, your dream partner loves you for being you, adores you for being you, appreciates you for being you. So when you're being true to yourself, when you are showing up as your authentic self, your dream partner can find you. This is when you become an energetic match to your dream relationship, one that says, I love you exactly the way you are. I adore you for being fully you. And this is your dream relationship at its core, at its essence. So every time you are pausing to play games, every time you are analyzing, every time you are in your analytical mind thinking, should I do this? Should I do that? Every time you're thinking about how you can change your behavior in order to be liked by somebody, you repel your dream partner and instead you call in other partners who are not your dream partner. So to recap, stop playing games if you want to manifest your dream relationship. You are now aware that when you are in the energy of playing games, you are actually in the energy of manipulation. Because when you are playing a game, what you are saying energetically is, I am not good enough the way that I am. Therefore, I need to play games. I need to be somebody different. I need to be strategic so that I can get this person to like me. This is the energy of manipulation. And deep down at your core, this means that you actually feel insecure about who you are and what you represent. Conversely, when you are in alignment, when you focus on empowering yourself from within, aligned people show up fully as themselves. Aligned people never play games. Aligned people are honest. Aligned people share what's in their heart. Aligned people are ready to receive a divine, sacred relationship that is based on authenticity. And your dream relationship involves this at its essence. So the more you get real with yourself, the more you give yourself permission to show up as your authentic self, as you are moving through your day, as you are getting to know people, the more you stay true to who you are, what your preferences are, and you honor those, the more you become an energetic match to your dream relationship. And when you do this consistently for a short period of time, you will manifest your dream relationship. So I invite you today to really question if you are somebody who is currently playing games. If you are playing games, note to yourself that, right now this means I am not being true to who I am. Therefore, I'm blocking myself from receiving my dream relationship. When I entangle myself in that energy of playing games, by behaving differently, by changing what I say and what I do in order to be liked by somebody, I am blocking myself from manifesting my dream relationship. Begin to notice this. Once you notice this, you can then make a different choice. Choose to show up as yourself. Choose to know and to remember that your dream partner loves you exactly the way that you are. And more importantly, it is hard work not to be yourself. When you are not being yourself, you feel depleted, you feel exhausted because you're trying to compensate for misaligned energy that is within you. And this will always lead to you feeling depleted, exhausted, and tired. Conversely, when you are being yourself, when you are fully showing up as you, this is when everything feels easy and effortless. This is when you begin to zig and zag with those who are not right for you, and you begin to call in your dream partner. You begin to exist at another level of consciousness that says, I am good enough exactly the way that I am. When you vibrate at this frequency, your dream partner can find you and can see you and will flow into your reality with ease and speed. Now, if you would like to go deeper into what we have discussed here today, if you would like a step-by-step roadmap that shows you how to let go of negative patterns that are blocking you from allowing in your dream relationship, then you can get your hands on my free class, 6 Steps to Manifest Your Dream Relationship, by clicking the link below in the description box. Or if you would like to work with me on a one-on-one capacity to manifest your dream partner, then you can apply for my flagship program, Sovereign Queen Academy, by also clicking the link below in the description box. Finally, are you somebody who consistently complains about your love life? If so, then you want to watch my video here next. Stop complaining about your love life and he will show up fast. And last but not least, thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.